Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. In this video, I'm going to show you a new product research tool that I've been using for a couple of days to find some really good winning products to sell on a Shopify store. I definitely want to share it with you. All the features of the tool, it is very cheap and very inexpensive, even for a beginner. Let's go. Now, before we start, if you're interested in scaling your existing Shopify business or starting a new Shopify business with the right information, make sure to join our 5-day live training starting up in a couple of weeks from now. You can join with the first link down in the description. We will teach you absolutely everything that you need to get your Shopify store up and running, profitable, and if you already have a Shopify store, how to scale it up with the right strategy, the ads, the products, everything you need down the first link in the description, all for free. Now, to show you the tool, it is called Droppy Spy, and what it basically is, it is a Facebook ads search tool similar to DropPoint, which I've talked about here on the channel. DropPoint is $5 per month. This one is $15 per month. I've been using it. The actual owner of the tool reached out to me a couple of months ago and he said, hey, I got this new tool. Please check it out. I didn't really take it seriously. I just thought it was a new product research tool. Didn't really care. Then I started actually using it, checking it out. A few people were talking about it, and I thought, okay, let me actually give it a try. So how it works is you go to dropispy.com and you basically have a lot of different Facebook ads. Facebook ads, Facebook ads, Facebook ads. Now what you can do is if you're selling products on a Shopify store, if you're selling products drop shipping, what you can do is go to the filters section here and say either drop shipping, last seen winning products, or high engagement. So you can do drop shipping if you want drop shipping specifically, or that their algorithm recognizes as a drop shipping product. What you can also do is do last seen winning products, which will pull up a lot of different products here. And for example, you have this product. What I would recommend you do is you go to the other filter section here, and you have a lot of different things that you can choose from the tool to actually give you to search for the products and search for the ads. So here in the text search section, you can pick whether you're looking for a particular keyword. Let's say you're looking for baby products, dog products, whatever it is, it's going to show you ads particularly for that keyword like baby or dog. Then you can also look at post creation date. If you want ads that were created, let's say from July to September only, you don't want ads before that or after that, you can also pick that. The media type is image, video, album, carousel, or multi. If you're looking at carousel ads, maybe you're doing a retargeting campaign, that could be pretty helpful. I would choose just video here if you're trying to find a winning product or just trying to find good ads. You can also do page name, whatever the name of the page of the person that is advertising. First seen date, last seen date. Wouldn't recommend picking those just because it's based on their own algorithm. The algorithm actually picks, when the ad is seen, and most of these tools aren't that accurate that they can know exactly when an ad was launched or where an ad was seen. So wouldn't recommend doing that. United States would be for the country, or you can pick whatever country you want. If you're looking for French ads in the French market, definitely you can pick that. Language, I would just choose English. Sex, you can look at male or female. So if you're looking to target, let's say women, then I would put female here. Or if you're looking to target men only, then you would put male. Age, doesn't really matter. You can put a particular age range. If you're looking to target, let's say grandparents or somebody more older, you can put that. Domain, that is way too specific. Wouldn't recommend picking that. And then since we clicked on the winning products, the latest winning products, the ecom platform automatically pulls up Shopify, Magento, and WooCommerce. In this case, I would take out Magento and WooCommerce just because we're looking for Shopify stores that we can model and look like and try to find the products that they're advertising. The CTA button, which is the call to action on their ads. We can look at shop now, buy now, get offer, learn more. I would actually take out learn more and get offer. Just shop now, buy now. And then the reactions, you can pick how many you want. So if you want at least 1,000 likes or at least 200 likes, whatever it is. So let's search for that and let's try to find a really good product here. And we have a lot of different ads that fit into that filter. What I would do is try to look at the ones that have a lot of reactions here on the bottom. So for example, here we have from April 11 post creation, last seen on September 21. That's a pretty good one. 11,000 likes here. Let's check it out in the details section. And here we have rated as the most accurate ruler in 2020. You can click shop now and go to the actual store here. And then you have DIY Circle Pro Ruler. I've actually seen this product running for a little bit, and this is the product page. Product page looks actually really good for this store. Yeah, pretty well written product page. Before we move on, I quickly want to congratulate Callum from the UK for winning our $0 to $315,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny. He absolutely crushed it, made more than $300,000 on his store. We show you the ads, the strategy, and everything that it takes to get him to that point. If you want to win that case study, just like Callum, make sure to comment down below the country or the city where you're watching us from. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. So what we can also look at is the actual ad, how they write the ad copy, how they do everything. And then what I would do, like I always do with other tools, I don't just go and trust it 100% and think, hey, this product, because it's from the spy tool, it's amazing, I'm gonna go and sell it. What I do is I cross-check always these products with AliExpress or let's say Amazon, another seller marketplace, so you can see how much volume, how many sales something is getting. So let's say this is DIY, or actually no, it's called Accurate Ruler, let's say, or World's Most Accurate Ruler. Let's see if we can find the actual name. The most accurate ruler in the world. You can see the other Facebook ads that this particular store has. So they're running a lot of different Facebook ads for this. September 21, actually today is September 21. So September 21, June 12th. So this is the ad that they're running right now. It's been running for about 4 months. So from April to September, actually 5 months. So that gives you an indication that this product could be doing extremely well. So what I do is I then take that and then I go to AliExpress and then I do, let's say, accurate ruler or most accurate ruler. And then I try to find the product. You can do orders and sort by the one that has the most orders, and then try to find a pretty similar product to it. It doesn't really look like that. See what it looks like. Looks like that. So this looks similar, 74 sold. Let's see, most accurate ruler. Let's see if we can pull that up. Sort by orders. No, it didn't search anything. So let's try just ruler and then sort by orders. And then we have some rulers that have 1,700 sold. They have 1,200. This one looks pretty similar. This one looks like it could be it, but we don't find any that look actually like this one. It looks like it's a rectangle. If it's not showing up on AliExpress like this, this is the method that I always go to. I look at a product research tool, then I see if it's actually selling on AliExpress or something like that. It doesn't look like it is. So what I can also do is I can take the image of the actual product. So let's say I'm just gonna go with the traditional one, right angle ruler. That could be good. Let's see if we can find that way. Right angle ruler. Sort by orders again. Okay, 400, 400. Okay, so pretty much not the highest selling product ever. Could be a good one to sell if we find the actual exact one. What I can also do is I can go to another website called TinEye. It's a reverse image search on the internet. So if you can't find the product on AliExpress, you can always just screenshot the product that you have or the actual picture that you have here, and then save it to your desktop here, and then you can go to TinEye, upload that image, and see if TinEye finds that image anywhere else on the internet, on Alibaba, on AliExpress, whatever. So let's see if they actually find this one. And you can go and do this process. I don't want to bore you here, but you can do this process with every single image, every single product that you find. It pulls up 0 results. So I don't really think this product could be a good one, even though it has a lot of clicks, it has a lot of likes, a lot of engagement here. Maybe not a good one to start selling on our Shopify store. So we can keep looking. You can also see the countries, the age, the sex, which is they're targeting just male here, and age seems to be 50 to 60. So that's pretty interesting. So let's go back to ads, and then the filters are already populated for you. So we can go and find another product. Let's see. Here we have these little beds. Seen September 21. Race car, this particular product is pretty saturated now. Lily pillow, don't let lower back pains. This one doesn't have that many sales or clicks. Vacuum food sealer, this one is a good one. Last seen yesterday. Let's click on that. Leaving Facebook. GA flour vacuum food sealer, interesting product. Okay, let's try to type this particular product on AliExpress, see if we can find it. Oh, vacuum food sealer. Sort by orders. And even though the exact product is not showing up, the actual bag that you put and it blocks it, you do have some ideas of some products that you can sell. Other vacuum food sealers that are doing well, they're running on Facebook ads, and a similar product to them is running on this tool. Let's keep looking for products, try to find a winner here. This particular one is doing extremely well. I've also seen this product. I'm not really sure what this is. You can play the ads before you actually check them. Okay, so it's basically just a knife. I wouldn't recommend selling chef's knives like this. Can get banned on Facebook. Let's look at this one because I know this one is a winner. It's called a plant growing ball. Last seen yesterday, 52,000 likes, which is pretty crazy. It's basically a ball that you put on your garden. It can help you grow your plants better. So let's look at details. And then this root growing box is a game changer. Now you can clone more mature plants faster. Let's look at that. Leaving Facebook. And now we're going to do, again, the same thing on AliExpress. Plant root growing ball or plant growing ball. Let's check that. Plant growing ball. Sort by orders. And now we found a good one that's selling 2,700, 2,600. This particular product, one of my students is doing extremely well with it, done over $10,000 with this particular product. So we finally found one that could do extremely well. We found the exact ad that is running and also the store that is running. So another thing that I want to show you inside of Droppy Spy, you can go to shops right here and then put the particular domain of the store that you want to check. So for example, the filter, you can go to domain here and put gardenia.earth. So this is the product that we found, gardenia.earth. Then we go to filters, domain, click on that and then search. And now it's found the particular domain. We're going to click on it. And now it's actually going to show you all of the Facebook ads that this particular store is running. I actually like this feature, and why it's very different from other product research tool. It's mainly for this feature and that it can show you all of the ads that are running for it. So this one is the only particular ad that is running for this product, the only Shopify product that is pulling up. But if you were to look at another product or another store, like Inspire Uplift, for example, and we put that here, we go to shops, filter, and then put the domain here, search, and then it will show us the Alexa rank. Alexa rank is basically how it ranks against other websites on the internet. I don't really care that much about that. You can also look at the engagement section, which can show you the bounce rate of the store. If your bounce rate is around 80%, 90%, pretty much everybody is leaving out of the store once they hit the page. That's obviously a problem. So you want to see how your competitors are doing in terms of bounce rate or how they are doing on their stores. You can also see the pages that are most visited. So for example, this page seems to be very, very visited. And you can go straight to it. So these modular touch lights are selling pretty well. I know they're running YouTube ads to this one. So that's why it's showing up as one of the top ones. You can see the website preview here. And then you can see the particular Facebook ad. So they're running a ton. There's 31 options here to check. All of the Facebook ads that they're running or that they have run before. That's it for this review of a new product research tool called Dropispy. Let me know down in the comments if you're gonna try it. If you don't, if you have a better tool, if you don't wanna bother using any of these tools or going through any product research methods, and you want just the products that you should sell for your store, I made a list of the top 40 products to sell on your Shopify store. All you gotta do to access that is click the video that's gonna pop up right here. Top 40 products to sell on your Shopify dropshipping store. Make sure to click on that, subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I will see you on the next video.